friends, this is Prabhpreet Kaur and today we are going to deal with the rest 5 stages which have been incomplete in our yesterday's video. I'll give you a short recap of that 4 stages, which is Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes and Azcalminths. Porifera was bath sponge that are marine animals live in aquatic. Cnidaria, which are toxic, are irritant for our body, which is jellyfish was the example, and they have tentacles on their mouth and they catch their prey by this technique only. Platyhelminthes, the example is flatworms or liver fluke. As I said, you all can see their pics on the internet, and they don't have vertebral column, means notochord. We'll deal with next 5 stages, and the last one is Azcalminths. Azcalminths have non-segmented body, their characteristics, and they too do not have notochord, and hence they are in non-chordates. And the example is eyeworm, not earthworm. So let's begin. More 5 stages. Animal classification. There is only one kingdom for animals, I said it yesterday also, and which is kingdom Animalia. There are 2 parts, non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates. Non-chordates do not have vertebral column. Chordates have vertebral column. And remaining 5 stages, I'll give you a word code for them. A, 2, M, E, H. It will be easy for you all to learn. A, 2, M, E, H. Our first one is Annelida. Annelida have segmented body, and the answer here is earthworm, because earthworm has segmented body. Earthworm do not have non-segmented body. Segmented body. Earthworm. Our 1A is done and our second one. Hence I have written A2. There are double A, Arthropoda. Next one is you all can define them by they have joint or attached to their body something. Joint or something attached. You all can write it. Joint or something attached. Here the example is crab or cockroach or butterfly. Crab, cockroach, butterfly. Crab, cockroach and butterfly. As you can see, cockroach have like this something attached. We can see like something has been attached to them from upper side, as you all can see here. It is not coming from their inner body, it is seen. Our second one is M. Third one, sorry. Mollusca. M O. Here their characteristics can be defined as soft body. These animals have soft body. Fine. Soft body. And here the example is snail. Snail is the best example for this. We have dealt with these three, and now you can see cockroach have like this something attached. We can see like something has been attached to them from upper side, as you all can see here. It is not from coming from their inner body, it is seen. Our second one is M. Third one, sorry. Mollusca. M O. Here their characteristics can be defined as soft body. These animals have soft body. Fine. Soft body. And here the example is snail. Snail is the best example for this. We have dealt with these three, and our fourth one is E. Echinodermata. It is called as echinodermata. E. Echinodermata, they have bilateral symmetry body. And here the example is starfish. Starfish is the example. Starfish is the example for them. You all can take it as their characteristic is their bilaterally symmetrical body, and example is starfish. I'll rub this upper one and a lid up. Our last one is H. Hemichordata. Hemichordata. These are also known as half starfish. Starfish is the example. Starfish is the example for them. You all can take it as their characteristic is their bilaterally symmetrical body, and example is starfish. I'll rub this upper one and a lid up. Our last one is H. Hemichordata. Hemichordata. These are also known as half chordates. Half chordates. Now, a question will arise in your mind how they are known as half chordates. Because chordates have vertebral column, these are known as half chordates because they have the vertebral column present in one region. Only one region, hence they are known as half chordates. They are not converted in whole chordates. Only one region. Yes, and there is no example for this. If I would get the example, I will let you know. And we have completed the more 5 stages too. And whole 9 stages are now completed. In our next part, we will deal with chordates. Do watch my video of animal classification part 1 and part 2. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment, and what topic I should bring next. Do comment. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.